for a few months now, probably about 2 months odd. As you can see, it's already starting to wear where the pans are going, which isn't bad, doesn't bother us. It is very hard to get clean though. The enamel doesn't seem to shine very well, and it's very hard to get the stains off. It just seems to leave just stains on it basically, even though you've cleaned it, and it has been cleaned last night after cooking. You can see it's got a layer of grease over it. We have scrubbed it. And even wiping it, it doesn't seem to really shine the enamel. The other thing is they don't get very hot. The two large ones don't get hot. Nowhere near as hot as our last hob.
Ok, sto provando a fare il video, moca piccolina, e vediamo cosa succede.